Alright class, today we're diving into the world of MS Word 2016. Let's start with how to open the program.
To open MS Word 2016 on Windows 10, simply click in the search box at the bottom of the screen and type Word. Click on Word 2016 from the list of applications that appears. Then, select Blank Document from the options on the right pane.
So, we just need to follow these steps to get started?
Exactly. Now, let's talk about the components of MS Word. This is crucial for understanding how to navigate the program effectively.
MS Word has several components. The title bar displays the document name and program name, along with the quick access toolbar and control buttons. Below that is the ribbon, which contains tabs like File, Home, Insert, and more.
The ribbon organizes all the commands you'll need while working on your document.
What about the quick access toolbar?
Good question. The quick access toolbar is here, where you can find frequently used commands like save, undo, and redo.
The quick access toolbar provides easy access to commonly used commands, allowing users to work more efficiently.
Got it. And what about the File tab?
Excellent observation. The File tab, located on the top left of the ribbon, is where you can perform file-related operations like new, open, save, and print.
Clicking on the File tab opens the Microsoft Office Backstage view, where you can access various file management options.
So, we can control everything about our document from there?
Precisely. Now, experiment with all the features of MS Word and have fun with it.